Imagine a vessel so large it dwarfs skyscrapers. Imagine a structure with intricate interiors, housing thousands. Now, picture this colossal creation being pieced together block by block in a shipyard. This is the captivating reality of mega cruise ship construction, a marvel of modern engineering and design. These floating behemoths, often longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall, are testaments to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of extraordinary experiences. From the first spark of an idea to the final coat of paint, the construction of a mega cruise ship is a symphony of complex processes and meticulous planning. It involves the expertise of naval architects, engineers, designers, skilled laborers, and countless others, all working in harmony to bring these colossal vessels to life. The scale of these ships is truly awe-inspiring. They are, in essence, floating cities, complete with restaurants, theaters, swimming pools, and even amusement parks. Building such a massive structure that can safely navigate the open seas requires an incredible amount of precision, innovation, and sheer hard work. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of everyone involved in this extraordinary industry. Before a single piece of steel is cut, the cruise ship exists as a digital entity, meticulously crafted within sophisticated design software. Naval architects, the masterminds behind these floating cities, employ their expertise in ship hydrodynamics, stability, and structural integrity to conceive a design that is both aesthetically pleasing and functionally sound. The design process begins with conceptual sketches, capturing the essence of the ship's intended purpose and aesthetic. These initial ideas are then translated into detailed three-dimensional models, allowing designers and engineers to visualize every aspect of the ship, from the curvature of the hull to the layout of the passenger cabins. These digital blueprints are not merely visual aids, they are complex simulations that factor in a myriad of variables, including water resistance, wind load, and passenger comfort. This iterative process ensures that the final design is not only visually stunning, but also meets the highest standards of safety and efficiency. Every detail, from the shape of the bow to the placement of the stabilizers, is carefully considered to create a vessel that can navigate the seas with grace and stability. The backbone of any mega cruise ship lies in its robust steel structure, a testament to the ship's immense size and the challenging conditions it must withstand at sea. Shipyards utilize high-strength steel specially formulated to resist corrosion and endure the relentless forces of the ocean. The steel is cut, shaped, and welded into massive panels, forming the ship's hull, decks, and internal framework. The selection of materials is not taken lightly. Engineers meticulously calculate the stress points, load distributions, and potential impact zones to determine the optimal steel grade and thickness for each section of the ship. This meticulous approach ensures the structural integrity of the vessel, guaranteeing the safety of its passengers and crew, even in the most demanding sea conditions. The process of transforming raw steel into the intricate framework of a cruise ship is a symphony of precision engineering. Massive cutting machines, guided by computer-aided designs, slice through steel plates with laser-like accuracy. Skilled welders, their faces shielded by protective masks, fuse these colossal panels together, creating a seamless and incredibly strong structure. Each weld is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the stringent quality standards required for a structure that will spend its life battling the elements. The construction of a mega cruise ship resembles a carefully choreographed dance of colossal proportions. Massive cranes towering over the shipyard like steel giants lift prefabricated sections of the ship into place. These sections, often weighing hundreds of tons each, are meticulously aligned and welded together, gradually forming the ship's immense hull, towering decks, and labyrinthine interior spaces. The assembly process begins with the laying of the keel, a ceremonial event marking the official start of the ship's construction. From this backbone, the ship's structure rises block by massive block. As the hull takes shape, interior compartments are outfitted with piping, electrical wiring, ventilation systems, and all the essential infrastructure needed to support the ship's future inhabitants. Imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle, but instead of cardboard pieces, you have steel sections weighing hundreds of tons. Each piece has to fit perfectly, with tolerances measured in millimeters. This intricate dance of heavy machinery and skilled labor continues until the ship's exterior is complete, marking a significant milestone in the